Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this trending but simple head wrap. It's a trendy head wrap. I will be making two sizes, the bigger size and the small size. The difference is going to be in the measurement. I'll be using my measuring tape, scissors, and the material I'll be working with. The next thing I'll be using is my sewing machine. It's optional. You can use your needle and thread. The measurement is here. Look at where the difference is coming. The length is 22 inches. The width is 10 inches. For the smaller one, it's still 22 inches long. The width is 8 inches. The difference is the other one is 10, the other one is 8 inches, the width. I'm going to place my material like this, and I'll spread it like this and fold it, then sew. This is the first one, this is the small one. I'll do the same thing to it. This is the outcome. I'm done with the sewing. Then I'll go ahead and turn it inside out, and the two of them is this. So I'm going to pick one and start working with it because I'm going to work on the two of them. The beauty of this work is locating the center. Once you locate the center perfectly, then the work is done. This is the center. Turn it, then locate the center. That's the middle. At the middle of it, you place the other part at the middle. That's the middle. That place my thumb is placing is the middle. That's where the first part started, and I'll turn it, then come back and turn this one like this. I'll do the same thing to the bigger size of this work so that you will see it very well. Take it to the sewing machine and sew it down. Alright, look at this one now. I will be doing the same thing to this second one. Look at it critically. This is where the magic lies. Locating the center of your work, the middle of your work is where the magic lies. Place it at the center, then fold it to the back, then come back and fold this one to the front. That's it. Sew it, and it's done. The outcome is this. If you have come to this part of this lecture, of this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification that each time I post a video you'll be first to be notified. Also like, comment, and share to your friends. Let them come and see how to make this trending head wrap. And the work is almost done. Thank you for watching. Trimming is good because it's going to make your work not be bulged somehow. So turn it and it's done. Ta-da! This head wrap is beautiful and classy. It's good. Using the border one is also good. The smaller one is also good. So there are other ones. The difference is going to be on the measurement. That is the measurement on the width, but the length is going to, you should stick to the length, which is 22 inches, or make it 23. But that's the general head circumference for adults. So making it for the kids, you are going to reduce the measurement, but the width should be the same. Sorry, the width should be different. You can choose 10, 8, 15, 12, depending on the size that you want to create. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.